Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we will guide you through customizing your news categories on the Aloha Browser app. This tutorial will help you choose the news topics that interest you most and remove those you don't want to see. First, open the Aloha Browser app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. After that, tap on Appearance to open its options. After that, choose the option named Start Page to access more layout controls. Next, scroll down until you find News Categories. Then, tap on News Categories to view all available options. After that, check the boxes for categories you want to see. At the same time, uncheck any categories you don't want to appear on your Start page. You will now see only the news topics you selected, making your browsing experience more relevant and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.